BBQ Cleaning Experts, Mike and Matt here from Canadian BBQ Boys.
We're fresh off our appearance on CBC's Dragon's Den. In this video, we're going to be talking about storing away your barbecue for the winter. So before you store the barbecue away, it's important to disconnect it from the gas or the propane tank. So in order to do this, you want to make sure that inside the house, you've actually turned off the main gas so no gas can flow through the main pipeline throughout the winter. If you have a propane barbecue, you want to make sure that you disconnect that properly and the propane tank is off.
When it comes to giving it that end of season deep cleaning, to make sure that there's no grease or grime left over so any animals or insects can hibernate in there throughout the winter. At the very least, you should be emptying the bottom drip pan as well as replacing the drip tray.
And the last thing is finding the right place to store the barbecue. So typically we recommend a garage and a shed make great examples for where you should store the barbecue because they don't have the impacts of weathering, so rain and snow, that could potentially cause that mold and mildew in the barbecue, and you also have less of a chance of an animal making it a home for the winter.
So in this video, we talked about how you could properly disconnect your barbecue from the gas line, how you can give it that end of season deep cleaning, and where you can store it away for the winter to make sure that it's safe. However, if you are a year-round griller, as is many Canadians, we recommend simply that you continuously maintain and clean your barbecue throughout the winter to ensure that it doesn't become a hibernation spot for any animals. If you are a year-round griller or have any tips on how you store your barbecue away for the winter, we'd love to hear about it in the comment section below. Thanks a lot.